Jai Hind. I am Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome in my YouTube channel. Hope you are fit and fine. Today in this video, I am going to the exercise question of the unit digital presentation. In this unit, we'll do all the exercise question of that particular unit. And this is a practice exercise number 418. And if you have the book of Saraswati publication, you can find out the page number 418. So we'll do the question size exercise, the important um, questions on the basis of starting MS PowerPoint along with the planning, creating, saving, closing and opening PPT and navigating and running a presentation. All the questions would be based on these topics. First question is, what are the benefits of using PowerPoint? Means what are the basic benefits of PowerPoint? The first is easy to use. Second is efficient information. Third is enhanced audience engagement. And the fourth is multimedia integration. And the fifth is attractive content with the use of animation, clip, graphs. And the sixth is time saving and convenience. And the seventh number is visual appeals and aesthetic designs. Now the next question is question number second. It is write the steps to save your PowerPoint presentation. You have to give the present. What are the steps that we take? First is click on File tab and simply click on Save Commands, or in a shortcut you Save button on Quick to Access toolbars, and in the short key is for the Control S or press F 12 to save the working documents of that presentation. On the next question, question number third, it is what are the ways in which you can create a presentation? Means what are the steps simply you take? First is click on Office button and then click on New from the menu that appears. After that, a presentation dialog box will appear and select the blank presentation and click on Create buttons. Now the question number fourth is define the placeholders. Means it contains the many different items including text, tables, pictures, charts and movies. This is a placeholder. And the next question is what can you do by using a placeholders? The first we can do with the placeholder is add a new slide layout. Next, change the layout of an existing layout. Next is visualize the layout, spacing and small overall design before the final content is added. Now the question number 6 is which buttons help you to view ruler in MS PowerPoint? The answer of this is view tab is there. Now the next question number 7 is how can you add a new slide between slide number 2 and 3 in a presentation? Simply we can do it by right click on the slide 2 and then click on new slide in drop down menu. Then we'll simply take the blank slide to add between these two slides. With this end, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.